Hello everyone. In this video, let's see how to mark your subject attendance twice if you have two different lectures for a single class in a day. So here in the subject attendance, go to your timetable slot, click on it, and here you can see there is two lectures, lecture by, and timings are different. So first, you have to click on student list or mark the attendance by entering only absent students roll number, name or surname. Now select one radio button of your first lecture and click on save. Now this attendance has been saved. Now again you need to mark the second attendance. Click on the same slot again and click on take new attendance at the right side. Now enter the absent students name, roll number or surname, or click on student list and select those students who were absent to your class and select the another radio button and click on save. Now both the attendances are saved and the timetable slot turned into green. So these two attendances are saved. This is how we can mark the attendance twice.